In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Spider-Man 2 on the Nintendo Switch and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm gonna go over all of the platforms in which Marvel's Spider-Man 2 is available officially, and we're gonna see if there is a workaround to get this game working on the Nintendo Switch. So first, if you visit the PlayStation Store where the game was officially and originally released, it was released in 2013 and only available on the PlayStation 5. So, seeing as how the first game got ported over to PC, it is safe to assume that the same is going to happen to this game eventually. Now, what about the Nintendo Switch? If we go over to the Nintendo official website, or if you follow along by opening the eShop directly on your console, we will be able to use the search function to look for Spider-Man. Now, when we look for Spider-Man, the answer becomes obvious. Under the game results, a lot of things pop up, but none of these are going to be related to the actual Marvel's Spider-Man games. So, where does the game stand? Is it possible to play through some sort of port, modification? Is the game going to come to the Nintendo Switch in the future, or is it completely impossible? Well, sadly, seeing as how these games often stay exclusive for a while, and if they even are ported, they are only ported to PC, it is safe to assume that Spider-Man 2 will never be available for the Nintendo Switch. Considering as well that the game is very graphically intensive, it has a huge world, it is safe to assume once again that it is not going to run on the Switch because of this, due to hardware limitations and also because of the fact of exclusivity, you will not be able to play it on a Nintendo Switch. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of the various reasons in which it is safe to assume that this game will never be ported over to Nintendo consoles. So you will have to acquire a PlayStation 5 console if you want to play it right now, or a PC with the assumption that it comes ported over in the future. If this video cleared up any of the questions that you had on how to play Spider-Man 2 on Nintendo Switch, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.